ECDIS Awareness Series 3, Chart Depth Setting. Very important for grounding prevention. Good morning, third mate.
Good morning, Captain.
How's it going?
Very well, sir. We have no traffic and the weather is good.
That's good. I am looking forward to our port call tomorrow morning.
Me too, sir.
Very good. Our arrival draft is 9 meters and the coastal and port area may have many shallows. So I would like to reconfirm the ECDIS chart depth settings on the arrival ENC.
Aye, sir. Here you go, sir.
Thank you, third. It looks good. Our chart depth settings are in order. Third, do you know the importance of the ECDIS chart depth settings?
Yes, sir. They are important. These settings organize the display of safe depths and unsafe depths.
Yes, that is correct. There is no traffic and the weather is good. How about we refresh our knowledge about chart depth settings?
Yes, sir. That would be great.
Contours, as you know, are lines on a chart that join equal depths or equal heights. Chart depth settings refers to the value inputs by the user for the shallow contour, safety contour, safety depth, and deep contour.
Yes, sir. But, sir, how are these values decided?
Good question, third. The ship's master decides the values of the chart depth settings as per the ship manager's guidelines. But the first important thing to understand is how the ECDIS selects the contour for display. Most ENC cells usually only contain depth contours such as a 2 meter, a 5 meter, a 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 meter, etc. The ECDIS is programmed to display depth contours equal to input values or the next higher available contour. For example, if the safety contour input is 15 meters, a 15 meter contour will be displayed. If a 15 meter contour is not available, the next higher 20 meter or higher contour will be displayed. Another example, as in our case, we have an input of 13 meters, but ENC does not have a 13 meter contour, so the ECDIS will display the next higher available contour, such as a 15 meter.
I could understand it very well.
I will explain the display with each type of depth contour and safety depth in a default setting of 4-color display. The shallow contour outlines the shallow waters of high grounding risk. Depth less than the shallow contour is shown in blue color. The vessel should never enter this area. Corresponding to the safety depth settings, depths that are equal to and lesser than the safety depth will be shown in black bold fonts and soundings deeper than the safety depth in gray color. The vessel must not plan passage over black bold soundings. However, if needed, a vessel may do so only after confirming UKC in compliance with the ship manager's guidelines. The safety contour is the separation line between navigable water depths and depths less than the safety contour. The safety contour's value is equal to or greater than